So here we have if you see, this can be like X and Y axis. It can be like, this is movable. I have to take it out to make it move. So it can be moved like, this can be, we can change the, it's movable. It can be moved up and down. And here, like, this is X axis, positive side, negative side. This is Y axis, positive side, negative side. And we can put the coordinate as per the question, make a slope and find the coordinates of the slope, or like, whatever, like different question of coordinate geometry can be solved using this. And these are like, this is now made of plastic, because here, like, those EVA and wooden thing didn't work. So we made it in a plastic. So this is like, and this has rubber bands, which can be fixed. And we can make like this can be fixed here like this. And we can find out the different coordinates here.